Hello, I'm Babyface Tay, and welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to share two quick simple hairstyles, one being a hairstyle you can play around with if you want, and something cute and fun for the natural girlies like me. I wanted to stick to beginner-friendly looks for those that can only really do simple, so without further ado, let's dive in. So I'm starting off on detangled hair and just parted two small sections in the front. I really don't like how big my forehead is, so this first hairstyle is my go-to for when I'm in a rush or just don't feel like putting in a lot of effort, as this hairstyle requires very little effort. Obviously, I am just brushing the rest of my hair into a ponytail. I have not used any product yet. I'm just brushing it up and out of the way so that I can do my edges and sleek down my hair further. Now I am taking the hair left out from my ponytail and loosely wrapping that around into like a sloppy bun and securing it with another hair tie. Taking my Eco Styler gel that you can buy from like every beauty supply store or local Walgreens pharmacy, I am rubbing a generous amount all over my head. Eco Styler gel is like a natural hair staple. I use them in braid outs to hold my curls and to sleek down flyaways. There are different ones with different ingredients, and this Eco Styler gel I am using is enriched with argan oil. The best part, they're usually pretty cheap. Less than $5 can get you a big tub like the ones that I just showed you. Alright, I'm talking too much. But on my edges, I am using Shine and Jam Edge Control. It can be purchased from your local beauty supply as well. I usually only use this on my edges because it has really good hold. Take two bobby pins or more if needed and just use them to secure the edges of your bun to ensure it stays in place. And there goes the first look, cute and simple. For the next look, you're going to part your hair in a big section in the front. This hairstyle does require a little more effort, but if you don't know how to cornrow, you can still achieve a similar look by flat twisting and securing the two middle sections and little ponytails. If you would like to see more looks like this that don't require cornrowing, or if you would like to see a cornrow tutorial for beginners, just comment down below. So basically, it will be 4 braids, 2 on the outer edges, and 2 that will crisscross in the middle. Here I am just sectioning my hair so that it will be easier to braid, because the neater your parts and braids are, the better it will look, and I am securing the other sections and flyaways out of the way so that I won't end up picking up extra hair. For the 2 braids in the middle that are going to crisscross, I will first start off by parting 2 small sections in the front and then clipping one of those sections out of the way, and then the same in the back. But for the back 2 sections, I will clip the opposite part out of the way so that the braid doesn't just go straight back, but instead will curve and it will start to crisscross on the other side. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Make sure that your hair is detangled before starting each braid. Now to finish off the look, I will be detangling the rest of my hair again because it did dry while I was doing this. So I will be detangling it and then brushing it up into a ponytail. The moisturizer that I am using for my hair is the Mielle Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk. This can also be found at the beauty supply store or your local pharmacy like Walgreens or Rite Aid. Now I'm going to part out two small little curly sections by my ears on both sides and then brush the rest of my hair up into a ponytail. And that completes our last look for this video. This look is also versatile and can be used to make different looks, as you're going to see in the last few minutes of this video. I also want to give a quick shout out to my first few subscribers. I know who you guys are. I love you guys, and thank you so much for your support and for watching my content. I hope to see you guys for a long time. Until next time, keep on glowing.